everybody, my name is Alicia and we are going to unbox this giant box of CBD products for you guys today. So if you haven't heard of Hello MD before, you haven't signed up to go start some orders over there, definitely use the link below or use my code Alicia20 when you sign up so you guys can get $20 off your first order. And guys, that is a steal because there are so many products that are $20 or less. So make sure you use that link below, check it out. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can get more updates and see every time that we open these boxes. All right, so let's dive in. All right. Let's see. All right, so this month's box is called, its name is Find Your Bliss. Here's your box full of goodies. See, it gets to be hidden from me too as well. All right, so let's see, get a little brief thing. Okay, we work hard one day and even harder the next, and a lot of times we forget to slow down and enjoy ourselves. That's why this Buzz Box is all about finding your bliss. CBD can help us find joy in what really matters. Friends, family, and small moments that enrich our lives. All right, guys, so let's check out the goodies. All right, so one of the paper is always fun. All right, ooh, okay. So the first thing is another mystery. So the first time I've had one double wrapped, so let's see what we've got here. Ooh, okay. Oh, wow, lots of goodies. Ooh, all right. Got some extra caramels. So these are just regular caramels, but they're Celtic sea salt caramels. Yummy. All right, and the CBD products, so really check it out. Awesome. All right, so we have the hemp-infused dark chocolate topped with sea salt. So you guys can get that clear. All right, by Grown. And then same brand. Oh, okay. So this is Madagascar dark chocolate CBD. All right. I don't know if you guys can see that. The camera's not really focusing. There we go. All right. And so this one has 50 milligrams per bar with five serving bars. So it's got little lines in it. Actually, we're going to break it over. So it means that technically every serving, if you were to use, not eat the whole thing at once, which it's chocolate. All right, let's check it out though. All right, cool. Okay, so there's the chocolate bar, and so there's 50 milligrams in the bar, and 5 servings. For every two of these, it's going to equal 10 milligrams. So whenever you have CBD products, guys, and it says the milligrams on the container, that is for the entire amount of the item you have. So this entire chocolate bar has 50 milligrams of CBD in it. The dosage would be then each individual, well, I guess technically that's 5 milligrams per square here. All right. And then we're going to actually break into one of these because it's chocolate. And I definitely got to try it out. That's really rich. Okay. And it is dark chocolate, so it's got that flavor, but it's really nice. It's, yeah. All right, guys. And so the next one is, okay, so we're going to just read off. I'm not going to try any more chocolate because I don't want to have a whole bunch of it yet. We'll try to make it last anyway, right? Okay, so this one, same concept. So it's 100 milligrams per bar. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And so it breaks down the exact same way. So 100 milligrams a bar. If you eat the entire bar, that's 100 milligrams of CBD at once. But each section, it's going to be, so it's going to be 10 milligrams of CBD per section, which is really cool. So this can last you quite a little bit. It's dark chocolate. So for me, it will last a little bit longer, simply because I'm not, like, it's not something I'm going to, like, dig into like crazy. If it were CBD caramels, I'd be in trouble. But thankfully they sent me some regular caramels too, which are really cool. All right, so let's see what's next in our box. All right, cool. All right, so it's Finding Your Bliss is a theme. So they checked out. So it's a hydrating coconut gel sheet mask by Pharmacy. Oh, I get it, Pharmacy. Yeah, there you go. All right, guys. So let's jump in. Oh, here's another cool thing. Definitely finding your bliss and calming down and enjoying the little moments, right, guys? So this one is a fizzy bath bomb. That's lemongrass. I don't know you guys, but I don't know what it is about bath bombs, but I love them. They're amazing. So, all right. So let's find some more CBD products in here. Ooh, okay. Ooh, this one's exciting. All right, let's see what it is, guys. This is one I've not gotten before, so I'm not really sure what it is. Let's see. If I can get through the tape. Nah, the joy of bubble wrap, right? All right, guys. There we go. All right, cool. All right, so this is hemp-infused coffee. It's a cold brew coffee, guys. All right, so this one it's a vegan. So refresh, energize, restore. It has 10 milligrams of hemp CBD per bottle. So the same amount that was in 2 of these little squares is in this entire bottle. But that's good because at the same time, the idea of using this is just more like you increase your clarity. Let's see, what's this on here? How to enjoy. Shake gently, drink chilled after yoga, or spike your morning coffee before a walk. The effects are delightful and mighty, just like you. So pretty cool. All right, I can't wait to check that one out. All right. Let's see what else we've got. All right. Okay. And then, okay, so we got 2 other things in here. Okay, first one is it's really cute teas. I love the teas they send me. They're so freaking cute. But this one is called Yoga in a Cup. So I've not tried this brand. But it's stress and anxiety relief, calm your mind and body with, so yeah, it's an herbal supplement. Okay, so, oh, I love this one, guys. This is like my brand here right now. It says, when you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed, let's see if you can read it. Let's see, I want to get clear. I don't know if I get this clear for you guys. Camera doesn't want to focus on you. But, yeah, it says, if you can see it, it's basically, when you're, see if I can say this without saying it. Stress the blank out. But it actually said it not with the words, but with symbols, which is hilarious. Or just need some zen in your life. Mix pack with hot water, coffee, tea, milk, or smoothie. Ooh. Add into a smoothie. That's pretty cool. All right, guys. And the last CBD product in the box is the Basic Jane brand. Now, I love the Basic Jane brand. It's one of their main lines that they've always had there. But they bring in so many different lines of CBD that they find and make sure they have the best ones out there. So this one's Basic Jane. Oh, okay. And these are roll-on oils. Okay. So this one is Awake. This one is Relieve. And then this one is Relax. All right, cool. All right, so now these ones, now I can't see exactly how much CBD is in these ones, just because these are not ones that you ingest. I'm sure it's on the box somewhere. But the cool thing about these are not just CBD. So these are essential oils with CBD added to them. So if you're especially if you like essential oils to begin with, great way to topically get some CBD. Let's see if I can smell. All right. I need to wake up anyway, right, guys? Ooh. Okay, so this one, the Awake, it's got like an orange peel type smell to it. So let's see. Okay, so it's got citrus, ginger, sweet orange, yeah, grapeseed oil, and then the CBD. So that one's really good. Definitely a calming, awake smell. So yeah, really good ways to get your CBD topically. Alright guys, so that was everything in our box this month. So that was CBD wise, that was your chocolates, which by the way are good, just saying, especially if you like dark chocolate, great way to go. We'll try this out later this month and I will send you guys another link up to see exactly what I thought of this one. And then of course our 3 roll-ons. Alright guys, so if you want to check out any of these products, just go ahead and head on over to HelloMD. Use that link below. Use my code Alicia20 so that you guys can get $20 off your next order. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure to subscribe and check us out next month. Bye.